Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix an f21 error on Kenmore front load washer. So, first one, f21 error means the washer has a drain issue. So guys, turn off the washer and unplug it for safety. And now open the lower front panel and place a towel or tray underneath and slowly remove the drain filter cap to let the water drain out. After that, just simply clean the filter and rinse the filter under warm water and remove any debris and reinstall the filter securely back in. Another one is inspect the drain hose. Check the drain hose behind the washer for kinks, clogs, or blockages and clear it if needed. And now, if it doesn't work, test it with a drain or spin cycle, and if the error is gone, the issue should be resolved. Now, if the issue still persists, just simply contact a technician or get more support for this specific issue. There you go. See ya.